for the 10th time, 100th time, 1000th time, nth time, yes, JBIMS is going to accept CMAT ATMA MAT scores, CET as well. Fine. So those who are still thinking, or those who have been told by their coaching classes ke nahi lega, or they're watching some old videos, please, the status as of today is yes, Bajaj accepted last year as well. So this year as well they will accept ATMA MAT CMAT scores, unless they change the process. If they will change the process, we'll come to know about that on June 10th. June 10th tak we don't know what is going to happen. So as of now, yes, they are accepting. So we'll assume they are accepting, because that's going to happen 99.9%. Yeah. So CMAT ATMA MAT, all the scores are accepted by JB, Sidham, Somaya, all the top colleges. Not only Bajaj, but all the top colleges are accepting. All the colleges, top kya, all 100 colleges are accepting those scores. But you have to fill CET form. So in this video, we'll talk about the process, what exactly, how to apply for that. So we have to buy CET form. Don't need to give the CET exam. Exams are there. This is the form. You have to buy CET form. Like to go to IIMS, you have to fill CAT ka form. You have to go for the CAT exam as well, but you have to fill CAT form. Yeah. So here, what we are going to do for CMAT score, ATMA MAT, which is happening in Feb, CMAT in Jan, March CET, May ATMA MAT again. All these scores are accepted by CET. So all of them have to fill the CET form. Yeah. So once you fill CET ka form, then on May 10th, documentation will start, which will continue till May 30, till the time ATMA MAT scores are out. So we are going to update our ATMA MAT scores in that form. This is the form which is being filled by IBPS. You are filling IBPS का form. इधर कुछ भी डेटा भरो चलता है, कुछ भी फेक डालो. 10, 12 के marks, name should be right, date of birth should be right, and photo and sign should be right, obviously. But apart from that, any data, workx data, this, that, graduation data, कुछ भी डाल, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, because this form is separate. It's only for the exam. May 30th, we have to fill. May 10th, let's talk about a middle value. May 15th. May 15th, we have to update our scores. Fine. Or our any exam score, and then when we fill the database, we'll fill the, you have to physically go to the DT center in Maharashtra to get your documents verified. Yeah, yes, even outsiders have to come down to Maharashtra to get the documentation verified. They'll check your marks, they'll check everything. Yeah, in that case, what we can do, if suppose your documentation is incomplete, for example, you don't have a particular small thing, then what we'll do, I'll recommend you a center where they don't verify the documents in that detail. Yeah, so we'll go to that center where document, and we'll talk about that once the cap round starts, once the documentation verification round start. So do subscribe to the channel. So you need my help till that time. I'm going to be there for till cap round 1, 2, 3, 4 are happen. So we are together till the complete process is over. Then June 10th ko aake, we'll finally know which all colleges, how many seats are allocated. As of today, all the colleges are accepting, including Bajaj. The status will remain same. Yeah. So right now you have to do is buy your CET form. All of you have to buy CET form. So 1000 rupees you have to spend. Last year, in fact almost every year, May 10th also you can submit 1000 rupees for these people who have given ATMA MAT. But अब जब देने वाले हो ATMA MAT तो अभी से फॉर्म भर दो, ठीक है? तो CET form you will buy. That includes your all the exams. Then once you get all these results, we are going to update the results on May 15th. Including CET results, you have to update there on May 15th. CET form is separate, CET exam is separate. CET form is a DT form which you have to buy. Yeah, and then update the scores on May 10th. Are with me? So with DT, there are two contact points. First contact points is buying the form now. The form is open, I think, till Feb 15th or Feb 10th. Please check out the date. Contact point number 1. Contact point number 2, once you get all the results, we are going to update the results on May 10th. Okay, so these are the two major areas, and then cap round starts and final admission by August 1. Yeah, in the description box, I've given you two links: CMATking.com/JBIMS for the cutoff for Jamlal Bajaj, CMATking.com/CET for all the colleges cutoffs, all the colleges list and top college ka ranking. There's a PDF which gives the ranking of all the colleges. Okay, and then third link is for All India cutoff, for the All India seat. This all are accepted for All India. That's not for the main CET, that's for All India. For master student also process remains same, but master student also can apply for these exams for all India category seats. Sorted. So that's your main target. Yeah, there's a complete process on how to apply via CMAT, ATMA MAT CET exam as well for master students and for all India students. Yeah, the process remains same. I hope I cleared that out. If you have any more doubts, please post in the comment box. I will make separate second video as well explaining the question which are there. Alright, all the best.